How to add a co-host in booking.com. First things first is access booking.com's official site or even log in using the application. And once you're here, make sure that you are logged in to your business account. Take note that that specific option, adding co-host or another user from your account, is only accessible if you have a business account in booking.com. So logged in, it's top right portion of your screen. Head on your current profile, and then in here you should be able to see manage users. Click on that, and by there you should be able to have that option to add a co-host or another user to your booking.com account. That's basically it. It's how you add co-host in booking.com.